The mic stopped working!
Just yell.
I need the mic!
Alex, just yell, you're fine.
Alright. Alright. Who knows what a Super Trofeo Evo is? Yeah. On a show of hands. Okay, so the story is 2 years ago, I saw a Super Trofeo Evo, and on the hood, my phone fit in there perfectly. So I thought of putting a phone charger right there. And in order to do that, I had to buy the whole thing. So here's my phone charger. And I'm not kidding. Someone want to help me? Legit. There's a phone charger.
Wait, did it actually charge?
This is a phone charger.
No way. Here it is.
Oh, that's sick. Here's my world's most expensive
How
phone
much does the
charger.
phone charger cost?
Alright, enjoy. Yeah. Oh, and it's pretty loud too. Alright, this is awkward now. Bring the music.
Hey, Chris Sargent!
Oh.